Guys, so I'm showing you how to upgrade the firmware on these boards. So first you connect the serial port and make sure that the two side pins on the serial port, you cut them. So one is 3.3 volts, which is actually a feed into the system, not an output pin. And then the other is a DTR pin, which is a DTR for the microcontroller on the USB port. So if it is connected, then the USB port is not going to work. And then you connect them like this. So you connect the USB port, and then you go to your desktop, you type in device manager, and have it here, and you go to the ports, click, and then Silicon Labs, you are at COM2. So this COM2 is important. So once you downloaded all these files, you copy them to drive C, and the folder name is going to be AVR-dude. Yeah, and I also explain everything in the README file, so step 1 to 4. And once you extract it, then go to rhino.bat, right click, and then do edit, and then the file opens. It's just a simple text file, and that says AVR-dude to compile a hex file and burn it to the bootloader on the motherboard. So whatever COM port you have, I have COM2, and I write COM2. If you have COM10 or COM11, you just change it to COM11. So COM2 is fine. Just close it. If you change it, it will ask you to save it, and then save it. Alright, then you have to choose the file that you want. So I pre-compiled a bunch of files. If you have a threaded rod, or if you have an Acme rod here, and if your board is green or if it is white. So the later board is white, this one is green, and the only difference between the green and white is the order of the wires. So if you flip the two wires for the XYZ axis, then you can just burn the white motherboard in there. It's the same thing. And then okay, so I'm going to, because this is a green board that I'll be using, I'm going to take the green board and for threaded rod. So you just Ctrl C, copy paste it, and then rename this to a.hex, and that's it. Then what you need to do is you need to push, there's a push button, so this push button or a push button here, you need to push it, and then at the same time, so you push it and hold it, and then you run the file rhino.bat. So I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to run rhino.bat, and as soon as I run it, I'm also going to release the button. So I just release the button, and then it will enter programming menu. So it will write into the buffer, and it will read into the buffer. And that's it. Now you're done with the new firmware. Thank you.